All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today I told you that we're going to go inside our Remix IDE first and foremost so I can show you what the value field looks like. This is the value field that I mentioned yesterday that every IDE has, or every network that we're going to be using, or every network that we're not going to be using for that matter has. So anytime a value is involved with a contract, it's always going to have a value field here, and this is what it looks like. So you can see here value, and the value would go here to measure in the amount of way. See if we can actually change them out. See, there's Gwei, there's Finny, and there's Ether. So these are all the different types of currencies that you can actually have a value for. So that's what I'll do real quick. Give you a quick look at the value field inside of the Remix IDE. We're not going to be doing anything with it quite yet. Let's get into some light reading. So I'm going to let you know exactly what's going on. So yesterday we left off. I told you that we were going to look at the value, which we just did. So this is a keyword that tells our function that it can read the value field from the transaction. That's what this payable keyword does, or decorator. Now, just like wallets can hold funds, contracts themselves can hold funds as well. This means that we can send ETH to the contract and it will hold it for us until we withdraw it. We can access the value amount with something called a global value, which is a built-in variable that is available to us in Vyper. Now, the global value we'll be using is called a message.value, which is the built-in variable that holds the value of the contract or the value of the transaction. So message.value equals number of ways sent in a transaction. So in order for us to require that whomever calls the fund function sends us a minimum amount of ETH, we can use the assert function, which is a built-in function that checks if a condition is true or false. If the condition is true, it will continue to execute the code, but if it is false, it will throw an error and stop the execution. So that's what we're going to do for now. Like I said, I just want to get you guys familiar with the Remix IDE, what the value field looks like, and then let you know what the payable does for us. It allows us to actually read that value field inside the Remix IDE. So we're going to leave it there for now, but of course we'll pick it up tomorrow, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.